What's up, guys? This is Alex, the representative for Winning Trades for You. Just throwing together a nice tutorial video for many of you that don't have Thinkorswim. That my last tutorial video kind of showed you the process with Thinkorswim implications on how to scan for stocks. Pretty much, this is going to be a little different. This is going to use, as you can see, FinViz, finviz.com, and we're going to get right down to it. If you want to go into your browser and you want to type in FinViz.com, it's one of the best pretty much moderating sites for the stock market, whether it's penny stocks, Forex, NASDAQ, and NYSE. It has so many functions that are free. I do suggest getting a login account. They do offer free login membership, so you can save your scans, whatever you get ticker-wise, to a certain portfolio, especially if you're making a watch list. I use this. This is my second step in my 7-tier watch list creation every single night that I produce on StockTwits, just a written list, and this helps me immensely, as I found it when I first started trading and have used it ever since. So once you go on that website, you want to select the screener. Now the screener, it's awesome because it's free. It has everything that Thinkorswim has. It's a great module platform to use to best give you a success rate in making a watch list. So once you do that, you want to hit on over to all. This will compile the technical fundamentals and descriptive screener of functions that you are looking for. Now this is what you want to look for and make certain that you have every single one of these settings down. What we're going to be looking for in this stock screener scan is potential break-ups through resistance, or failed breaks, double tops, triple tops, or single tops for a nice short trade. It can also work the opposing way, and when it's testing support for a nice gap up. So you're going to come to this function setting list, and let me go over here. I pre-made, and I will attach the image URL for your pleasure and reference to follow along with this in your own time. But what you want to do here is you want to go, I don't know how to minimize this a little bit. It's pretty big. What the heck's going on? Okay, we'll just go along as is. Some technical difficulties, as you can see. So you want to set PB. You know what? Let me do this. Sorry, guys. I'll just use that function. Perfect. P and B. You want to set that under 2. Okay. And it will save that automatically. You want to go price. You're looking for stocks that are under $10. That's your personal preference. I'm a penny stock trader. I'm looking for stocks under 10. Sometimes I will do under 15, under 20, but I usually don't go over that. Do as you please. Little disclaimer: this video is not for financial advice, nor am I endorsing FinViz in any way. It's just something I really enjoy and admire that they give this free service. So you want to do is you want to go again PE. You want to go under 15. This is the equity profit, and so this pretty much is all setting. You're looking for the strength companies. You're not looking for the ones that are in debt immensely. You're not looking for the ones that have the potential to just shoot. If there's some news, it's not good. If it's near bankruptcy, anything like that. So I implicate the first watch list step and pretty much see if the stocks, the tickers align in any way to this step. But I also use this midday as well as extended hours. So I can use this independently as well as with the Thinkorswim results. So it's awesome in that way. But it's also free of charge and accessible from anywhere to anyone, whether you have Thinkorswim or not. So it's a good platform to use. So what you want to do next is return on equity, and you want to go positive. So over 0%. So again, it's just looking for the strength companies. Debt equity, you want to set that baby at under 0.5. And then you also want to go the current ratio. You want to set that baby at over 1.5, so just the reciprocal. And then this is where it gets personalized upon the time of day. Again, this is what I do. This is what I suggest, but this is where I look immensely at the volume, and I put it again in the image that I'll put in the description below this video. But from 8 a.m. until 10:30 to intraday, I'm looking for about over 200K volume. And then from 10:30 to 1 p.m. over 500,000 volume, and then 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. over 1 million. Again, you can set it as is, and then it will be indicative with the price of the stock, whether it's a sub-dollar stock or even sub-penny. They can get pretty crazy with the volume. So what you want to look at here is current volume. You want to look at, we'll do over 200,000. And that's pretty much it for this scanning process. So here's where it gets pretty interesting. Okay. So what you want to do from this is just take a nice look at the bottom tickers here. Where's that price? Under $10. You know what? Let me set this under $5 here. Under $5, what you're going to be looking for, especially with, I like to start off with under $5, sometimes under under $3, just to get those nice pennies, and then go under 5 and then under 10, and then see what's still in the list. So you'll see MEET, NSU, and it'll have a nice little chart for you. JMI, CRNT, and ACLS. And what you want to do is, you know what, I like to save this portfolio, but not right now. But you want to save it as portfolio once you get to that step, make an account, and you can have those to your accessible, just scanning and watch. You're able to watch it. So you click charts. It will pick up the technicals of each chart as well as the descriptive graph. So you can look at all these and you can see how close they are to the resistance levels. So these ones I'll be looking upon open come Monday. Again, today is 6/5/2016. So this is for 6/6/2016. So let's look at Meet. This is Meet Me. It's a nice app. Hopefully none of you have met your wife on Meet Me, but you know what? If you have, you're a part of growing that stock. But as you can see on Friday, it grew 5 cents. Right now, it's sitting at a nice 394 above that resistance level. And you can look at all the the technicals and just the basic in-depth information about each stock. And then you go down, you get the buy sell analysis from these market capital ventures. And then you can go there and you can look at the description. This news that is published on FinViz, it's pretty up to date, and it's awesome because you save your stuff in the portfolio and it will update the news for each stock underneath that portfolio. So June 2nd at 9 a.m. Meet Me opens office in Philadelphia. Wow. So they can get those Philadelphians going. They can there's love in Philadelphia. But you're looking at this, and then you're going to see what's going on in the pre-market, and then you can also click candle, and you get that nice interactive chart, kind of what you're looking for. Let's zoom up in here, and then you can look and just pretty much depict each stock watch item as is. So you keep going over, and you can look at technical, and you can look at all this information at the access of your fingertips. Okay, so it's nice to use intraday, midday, pre-market, post-market, extended hours, overnight to make your watch list at night, whatever you please. Just know that this is available to you, and it's a great function to have. And I do recommend FinViz in any way. I've used it for years and I love it. So I hope this video was able to help you out, just pretty much give you a nice analysis of my second tier process in making my watch lists. I hope you have a great day, study hard, and prosper even more with payoff. I hope you, again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Expect a watch list tonight.